Spare parts and MRO management can be challenging and time-consuming, but not with Airbus Helicopter's new H-Care Material Management. H-Care Material Management offers 3 levels of efficient services: H-Care Easy, H-Care Smart, H-Care Infinite. H-Care Easy is the affordable and reliable solution for customers looking for fast, on-request services with secured performance and seamless access. Easy Part provides a comprehensive catalog of new spare parts or repair and overhaul, providing a solution for each and every part fitted on your helicopter. For new spare parts, we fully commit to deliver 100% on time for orders planned 15 days in advance. Airbus Helicopters goes the extra mile by providing secured performance at no additional cost to you. With Easy Repair, you are sure to receive a part by the end of the committed repair cycle. Easy Exchange gives you access to a dedicated stock of parts so you can immediately swap yours with another serviceable one. Or maybe you just simply need a part on loan? Try Easy Rental and rent out components for a defined period, saving time and ensuring mission readiness. H-Care Smart is just that, the smart solution for all your by-the-hour needs. Simply and easily manage your fleet availability and keep your budget under control with fixed costs per flight hour, immediate parts readiness, and a better resale value for your helicopter. And simplify your admin with one contract and one single point of contact for all of your needs. If you want to keep your own stock of parts and secure your repair turnaround times, Repair by the Hour is your solution of choice. If you don't fly frequently, but wish to be protected from the hazards of unscheduled events while limiting costs, Exchange by the Hour is designed for you. Our renowned Parts by the Hour offers optimum performance and limited stocks, thanks to an immediate component exchange for both scheduled and unscheduled maintenance. Finally, for customers looking for optimal risk-sharing solutions and maximum performance, there is Full by the Hour, providing nose-to-tail coverage. With H-Care Infinite, the possibilities are endless. This is your one stop for an all-inclusive turnkey solution, ensuring the highest levels of fleet availability. It is designed for customers who wish to fully transfer maintenance operations and the associated risks in order to focus solely on their most important mission, flying safely. Airbus Helicopters takes care of everything else from A to Z. H-Care Easy, H-Care Smart, H-Care Infinite. So whatever your specific needs, with H-Care Material Management, we are with you on each and every flight.